Yesterday, Google dropped a bombshell. Gemini 3.5 Pro is just days away from launch. But here's the kicker. The Gemini 3.5 Flash is already in action, delivering performance that's faster than a speeding bullet. 4 times quicker than its predecessors. It's not just a model. It's a revolution in agentic coding and long-horizon tasks. Imagine software development where AI doesn't just assist, but takes the reins. That's the future Google is promising. And it's not just pie-in-the-sky predictions. Developers are already leveraging these advanced, cost-effective solutions. We're talking about AI that can autonomously tackle complex projects, making software creation faster and more efficient than ever before. But hold that thought. Microsoft isn't sitting idly by. They just unveiled their agent framework at Build 2026, hitting general availability with a new agent harness and GitHub Copilot SDK. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete game changer. Developers can build sophisticated AI agents with unprecedented ease. The boundaries of what AI can achieve in software development are about to be pushed hard. Think about it. 2 tech giants are racing toward a new frontier. But this isn't just about speed or efficiency. What's at stake here is the very foundation of how we develop software. We've got powerful tools emerging, but there's a dark shadow looming. As we plunge into this AI-driven future, are we prepared for the ethical consequences? That's the part nobody's talking about yet. Stay tuned. Vocabulary: bombshell, revolution, agentic, consequences. Gemini 3.5 Flash is here, and it's a game changer. It's already available, and it's not just fast, it's 4 times quicker than larger models. Think about that. 4 times the speed. What does that mean for developers? It means they're armed with advanced, cost-effective AI solutions that can turbocharge their projects. Imagine slashing development time while boosting performance. That's the power of Gemini 3.5. It's not just about speed, it's about unleashing creativity. Developers can tackle complex, long-horizon tasks with ease. We're talking about a leap in productivity that could redefine entire workflows. But here's the kicker. This isn't just an incremental upgrade. We're witnessing a shift toward more autonomous systems. With tools like Gemini 3.5, AI is no longer just an assistant, it's becoming a collaborator. Developers are gaining the ability to offload repetitive tasks and focus on high-level problem solving. It's a profound change in the role of AI in software development. Yet, as we race forward, an uncomfortable question looms. Are we ready for this level of autonomy? With great power comes great responsibility. Sure, we can create faster, smarter AI, but what about the implications? As we embrace these tools, we must also confront the ethical dilemmas they bring. So as you watch the landscape shift beneath your feet, ask yourself, are we prepared for what's coming? What does it mean to wield such incredible power in our hands? Stick around, because the discussion is just heating up. Build 2026. The air crackles with anticipation. Microsoft just dropped a bombshell. The 1.0 general availability of the agent framework isn't just a shiny upgrade, it's a revolution. Picture this: a sleek new agent harness, integrated with GitHub Copilot SDK. This is a game changer for developers. Why? It allows them to create sophisticated AI agents faster and more efficiently than ever. The old barriers, crumbling. The capabilities, expanding at a dizzying pace. We're talking about a framework that empowers developers to push boundaries. No more waiting for a slow rollout. With MAF, you can build and deploy AI models that can adapt, learn, and solve complex problems in real time. This isn't just incremental progress, it's a massive leap forward. Imagine AI agents that can write code, optimize applications, and even predict user needs, all while you grab a coffee. The implications are staggering. The days of tedious manual coding, they're numbered. As Satya Nadella said during the launch, this is not merely about technology, it's about unleashing human potential. It's a clear message. Microsoft isn't just in the race, they're setting the pace. But hold on. As we speed towards this AI-driven future, questions loom larger than life. Who will control these powerful tools? What happens when AI agents make decisions that affect our lives? At what point do we address the ethical mess these advancements may create? The clock is ticking. Are we ready for the implications of such rapid innovation? Because this is just the beginning. But hold on. As we celebrate the dawn of Gemini 3.5 Pro and Microsoft's agent framework, a dark cloud looms over this hype. Let's talk about what's being swept under the rug. With great power comes great responsibility. We're staring down the barrel of ethical implications that few are willing to confront. What happens when these advanced AI systems start making decisions? We're talking about autonomy, and more autonomy means more room for bias. Just last week, researchers raised alarms. AI models are reflecting and even amplifying societal biases. We're not just handing over coding power, we're risking the integrity of the applications we create. Are we ready for that? Consider this. The same AI tools that promise to enhance productivity could also perpetuate discrimination in hiring algorithms or lead to unjust surveillance systems. The stakes, sky high. When these models are rolled out into the wild, who's accountable for their actions? The tech giants, the developers, or is it simply a game of passing the buck? And it gets worse. As these technologies evolve, regulatory frameworks are lagging behind. There's a gaping chasm between innovation and the rules that should govern it. We're playing a dangerous game here, folks. The question isn't just about what these AIs can do, it's about what they will do. As we watch this race unfold, don't let the shiny tech distract you from the real conversation. Are we prepared to handle the fallout? As Google rolls out Gemini 3.5 and Microsoft flexes its agent framework, a looming question is overshadowing the excitement. What happens to jobs? We're staring down a future where AI can write code faster than any human ever could. Gemini 3.5 Pro promises to tackle complex, long-horizon tasks with unprecedented efficiency. We're talking about a model that can churn out solutions at 4 times the speed of its predecessors. Sounds great, right? But here's the kicker. Will that make developers obsolete? Microsoft's agent framework is no slouch either. It's designed to allow developers to create sophisticated AI agents with ease. But this efficiency comes at a cost. Automation is a double-edged sword. For every task an AI can handle, there's a developer whose job might be at risk. The industry is teetering on a knife's edge. A recent report from TechCrunch highlighted this very dilemma. It warns that as AI systems become capable of taking over tasks, accountability and job displacement become critical concerns. What does that mean for the workforce? Are we looking at empowerment, where developers take on more strategic roles, or outright replacement? The stakes are massive. We're at a crossroads. Companies will need to make tough choices about their workforce dynamics. Will they invest in retraining and upskilling, or will they choose to cut costs and let AI take the reins? The future isn't just about technological prowess, it's about the human element. As these AI models advance, so too must our approach to workforce strategy. Can we adapt fast enough? We're on the brink. The AI revolution is here, with Google's Gemini 3.5 Pro and Microsoft's agent framework leading the charge. But it's not just about power and speed, it's about responsibility. These technologies can reshape entire industries. They promise to boost productivity, cut costs, and open up new realms of creativity. But let's hit the brakes for a moment. What does that mean for ethics, for accountability? As we dive headfirst into this new era, we can't ignore the potential pitfalls. The race for innovation often comes with its blind spots. Decisions made in boardrooms today will affect lives tomorrow. Think about the biases embedded in AI, the job displacement looming over countless workers. This isn't just a tech upgrade, it's a societal shift. We need frameworks that not only advance our capabilities, but also safeguard human values. It's up to developers, policymakers, and you, yes you, to demand transparency and fairness in AI deployment. We can't afford to let these powerful tools run unchecked. So as we stand at this crossroads, remember, the choices we make today will shape tomorrow's landscape. It's up to all of us to steer this revolution toward a future that values both innovation and ethics. If you want to stay ahead of this, you know what to do. Subscribe for more insights into the fast-paced world of AI. And don't miss our next story, where we'll explore what happens when AI starts making the rules.